Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to take an activity. This activity name is myself. Who will first come? Yes, Ashmain, please come and tell about myself.
My name is Ashmain Fatima. My father name is Mohammad Farooq. My mother name is Naseem Firoz. My brother name is Mohammad Abbas. I live in Badnera.
Very good. Clap for Ashmain. Go back. Yes. Arhama, please come and tell about myself.
My name is Arhama Fatima. My mother name is
Yes.
Mohammad Abid. My mother name is Samreen Bano.
Very good.
My
Brother.
brother name is Mohammad Arhan. I live in University Badnera.
Very good. Clap for Arham. Yes, Arham, please come and tell about myself.
My name is Arham Fatima. My father name is Abdul Karim. My mother name is Nazana Bano. I live in University Badnera.
Very good. Clap for Arham. Go back. Humera, please come.
My name is Mera Siddiqa. My father name is Firoz Khan. My mother name is Anjum Khan. My brother name is Saad Khan. I
Leaving.
live Badnera.
Very good. Clap for Humera. Go back.